no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I did receive a wig from West Kiss Hair. I love working with West Kiss Hair, and all these wig reviews and all these wig companies I've been working with so far have been totally gracious and very patient while I was away, through my pregnancy journey. So I really would like to thank these hair companies that I'm working with now, that they're very courteous of my new journey as a mother, and they're very patient when it comes down to producing content for them. So I would like to thank West Kiss Hair so much. Everything about this hair will be in my description box below. I truly want to try something different. Obviously, y'all see I'm starting to jump out the box with these colors, y'all. I always want to try the skunk style type of hairstyle. So I was really excited about receiving this hair. It was kind of giving me like punk rock, black girl goth, giving Rico nasty. Now I did have to tweeze the hairline just a little bit. The hairline didn't come pre-plucked, but that's okay. Again, like I said, I only plucked just a little bit.
Yogic.
So I am using my Fenty Beauty to go ahead and cover up that lace so it can match my complexion on my skin, on my face. What I will say about this wig though, I loved how this already came pre-curled. It was just something about when wigs already come pre-styled, coming pre-curled just saves so much time for me. I've been gone for a long periodically time, and y'all using new sprays. I don't see nobody using the Got to Be spray no more. I don't be really seeing people use the bed head. So if y'all can, drop a couple of like hairspray, glue sprays that I can use so I can lay these wigs down, because yeah, y'all doing some fancy stuff. Like, what's an alternative spray that I can use besides the Got to Be and the bed head?
Yogic. Yogic.
I'm just spraying the hair so these curls can really stay. And this hairline did have me tussling with her, but like I said, she did come through at the end. So let's talk about the pros and the cons. The pros that I have with this hair, it came pre-styled, so it already had the curls to it, and it was just so beautiful. It's so soft. It's very manageable. Minimum shedding, minimum tangling, like it doesn't tangle as much or whatnot. Of course, when I tweezed the hair, you did, like I said, it's minimum shedding, so it probably was shedding from me tweezing, you know, the hairline and whatnot. The cons I did have with this wig, I feel like, again, this is my fault, I believe. I think I got the wrong size cap. I said I was a small, and it came small, all right. So I have a 21.5-inch head. Usually, you know, small wigs fit on my head. I don't know if it's the baby. I don't know if the baby made my head bigger or something, y'all. I don't know. But I just know next time I will be kind of getting a different type of size cap. Overall, I love the hair. I can't wait to see what you guys say about this hair in the comment section. So make sure you guys are letting me know. You can like, share, subscribe if you want. Hit that bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.